How to apply at the University of Limpopo, UL. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I am going to show you how to apply at the University of Limpopo. So please note that this video is not sponsored by the government nor by the university. If you see value in this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and leave a comment if you have a question or any input about us improving going forward. So yes, this is Mangobo, is all about helping each and everyone to revive their ambitions and reinforce their dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, go to an internet browser that you are using, but I always advise that you use Google Chrome. Let's go to the UL website, which is www.ul.ac.za. So applications at this university, they are open. So you can see the apply button here. It's just visible enough without going to the other ones where you can have them here. Where are they? You can see here, you can click the full event and going downwards. Let's just click here, apply now, for simplest thing. Then you'll be taken to these steps here. You can check about the admission requirement here. Please note that there is an application fee of 200 rand if you are South African, 750 for international students. So you click here, then these are the banking details. Your reference, they are telling you that it is what? Your ID number. If you have any inquiries, you can send them to this email address or call this number. They are picking up a call. I tried to call them. Yes, they are picking up a call. Yes. So yeah, obviously you will need this credit. Read about this matric prior, you indicate you read this. These are NCV students. Don't look down at yourself, ladies and gentlemen. You can apply at a university if you have NCV level 4. I'm still coming with a video about that. Look here, most of university, they are accepting students who have NCV level 4. You just need to meet these fundamentals and other this relevant information per university. So please make sure that you read this. If you have inquiries, if you have NCV and you do not understand what you can apply for, let's talk about it. Please also note that if you want me to apply for you, it is not free. Also, this is how they are calculating their application score here. NCV, this is how they are doing it. APS, metric, those who got level 7, them levels whenever they were there previously. They are just telling you here the percentages is equals to what here with the levels. These are the levels here. You see as they are. Then you read and follow off these steps. So this is how you check what the admission requirements. So we are not here. Then we come back. Undergraduate information and international student, please click here accordingly. Academic programs that they are offering, you can check the prospectus here for postgraduate and undergraduate. Please check here. But let's go to 2023 online application. You click there. You will be taken to these steps here. Again, they are emphasizing the amount that you need to pay, also the references, and if you have any information, any inquiries, you can send them to this one. So do you already have a student number? If you do, you can click here so that you can get this link here for student portal and log in and then continue the application. So in this time around, I'll say yes. If you have been applying and you left the application somewhere, you can click yes here, but I'll leave it at no now at this time around, especially if you are applying for short learning programs. You will need a specific token. If you have it, you can just click yes here and just enter it here. So let's just continue and make sure that you read the rules and regulations. You see all of these documents that they need here. Please make sure that you read this. You read this document. Make sure that they are certified and properly scanned. Then after that, you click next. You can also try to dodge the system and by saying you do not have a student number, but after entering your ID number here, then after that you click the tab button, the system will already tell you that there is an application or there is a student number that is already existing for this ID number. So now what I will do, let's enter a correct student ID number. Then after that, you click tab, you come and enter your gender, the date of birth here, You can start typing here. Then you come here, the month, then your day, then title. Indicate your title, your initials, your surname, first name. Then you middle name if you are married, but it is not commas out. Your status will indicate if you are married or not. Your home language, you come and indicate your home language. And after that, you go to the bottom part, ethnic group. You indicate your ethnic group. Are you working? This is not commas, or you can just jump it, but you can also provide the information here. Then you come here and enter the addresses here, your addresses that you're staying at. Let's go just and search for the postal code. Maybe using the town, you can try to use the town, or also maybe search with the postal code, because at some point you might be mistaken with the name here. So let's just use the postal code. Then here put your city, which is Nelspruit, or your town. Then your province, you put it here. Then if your postal address is different from this physical address, you can just tick here so that they will give you this space to enter it manually, but I'll leave it at no because it is the same. Then after that, you come and enter your cell phone number and your email address, and you also verify it. Then you continue. Do you want to apply for resident? I always advise that if you are first year, you can just click yes. Do you have any disability? You can indicate. If you are using your own browser, you can save the addresses so that when you enter the other information, especially for next of kin, if you are staying together, you can just use your information here. Then after that, you come and enter the next of kin information here. Then you continue with the addresses here. Because you have saved, if you are staying together, you can enter the addresses, but if you are not staying together, you can enter their addresses. So then after that, you enter the addresses. Let me remove this. What is this? Yes, so everything is fine here. Then you copy your suburb, or you can go and search for the postal address here. Then you select it here. Then you enter their email address. Then for account payable information, you can use the same information as it is here. Then I click next. Then because if you have already completed matric, already the system will indicate the year that you have completed. Then you just need to enter this information here. For student, unfortunately, I don't get someone who is still doing matric and see how to select the school leaving certificate and so forth. But it is simple, guys. You do not have to just search or type. If you click the list, it should show you what you are applying for. In this case, this one, because already the student completed in 2021, so obviously there's no way that the student can apply for postgraduate. But for student who completed there, you can see that you have postgraduate and undergraduate. Are you upgrading? You can indicate if you are upgrading here. Then in this case, I will say no. Then after that, I click next. Then you need to enter your school information, the last school you attended. You search it. Then after that, you select it. What happens if the name of the school does not appear there? I would advise, it is my advice, select the school that is next to you and that is at the same level at your school, because a school is not a requirement. It does not determine whether you qualify or you do not qualify. It's not a requirement. It's just an information to know. What are you currently doing? You can indicate what you are currently doing. If you are doing nothing, you will indicate that you are doing nothing other. Have you studied at another in university? You can say yes. Then after that, you click capture. Then after that, you come and fill in this information. Then after that, you click add previous qualification before you click continue with application, so that you'll be able to click the next year. So in this case, let me leave it at no. Then I click next. We come to this part where we need to select our programs there. So you click here and obviously select for 2023. Then click here to select for the qualification that you want. So obviously you have checked the prospectus and the faculties, and you know what to get when, where. Then after that, you come here and select for the program that you want. Then after that, you can select for the program. Then for period, obviously you leave it at first year, then it will fill in this information. Obviously I'm going to TEFLOP. You are allowed to enter 2 choices here this time around. Then you click add qualification, then you can try to select another one. So based on your information, based on your marks here, the system is able to tell you that you are eligible to apply for this qualification or not, based on the information, based on the marks that you have here. So you can add another second choice by following the same steps here as they are. So if you do not qualify for any qualification here, it will tell you that you do not qualify for the application. Then after that, if you click next, it will tell you that you are continuing to choose, that you are whatsoever you continue to choose with the application. Even though you do not qualify, you will be rejected. Then if you're upgrading and you are sure that you will pass, you can just click yes, continue. Then after that, you upload your proof that you are upgrading. If you do not want a qualification here, you can just click the remove button, then add another one. So let's click next. So you are taken to this part where you need to verify your information here. If everything it is correct, you verify, then after that you click continue. Then you come here and create your PIN that you will not forget. Then you come and read again this in the rules and regulation, then you click I accept here. Please note that at some point when you click the accept, this submission button, it is not activated whatsoever. So what you should do now, you deselect this and select it again. When you select it again, this submission button will be active. Then after that, you click submit application. So they will ask you, do you already have what document that with you? So you can just click yes, so that you'll see which documents are required for you. So obviously you upload the document that you have. You cannot now ask me about a degree certificate, whereas we have only completed matric. So if you have completed matric, you upload your relevant document. Your school report, you can see it here. Also what the proof of payment, the 200. I don't see where they need you to upload an ID copy, but it's not necessary. So you upload the document that you have. So to upload document, you click the load or view. Then after that, you click upload. You go and click choose file, and then after that you uploaded the document. Let's upload let me not upload this one. Then after that, you click save. Then after clicking save, it will be uploaded. You can click close. Then after that, the name of your document, it's here. You can click here to view it, and also click here to save it. Then after that, you close here. After uploading the document, you will see here it will change that you have uploaded the document. Then continue going forward. If you have uploaded the incorrect document and you want to upload the correct document, what I would advise, please watch the video that is coming up about how to reapply and upload document at UL. It will show the exact steps how to maintain the document and show to the university that this is the correct document. Then after that, to click complete document, then you'll be given what? A student number and your PIN. Just like that, you have applied at the University of Limpopo. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck with your applications and take care of yourselves.